Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME Pad to Motorola device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices, click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it on both devices. From this screen over here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Motorola. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now choose send on REALME and receive on Motorola smartphone. Following that, click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you'll select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose send and tap on get it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Motorola, then choose allow or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!